How to see videos in slow motion on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Open the app drawer on a device. Tap the gallery app and select the video you want to show as slow motion. Here we select album. Now tap any video. Here we select this. Now long press it and you can see the slow motion video of your video. So it's quite helpful feature to quickly show long video to slow motion video on a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra and other Samsung device that support this feature. So quite a helpful feature. Just long press it. Just long press the any video. Not all video supported this format. If video not supported, you can see can't use instant slow motion on this type of video. So quite useful feature to view long video to slow motion on Samsung S23 Ultra and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.